Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here today.
Paul, how are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. I'm excited to talk about hobbies today.
Yes, hobbies are fun. People like to talk about what they enjoy doing.
Exactly. So let's just chat naturally.
Sounds good. Emily, what are your hobbies?
I like reading books. I also enjoy drawing and painting.
Oh, that's nice. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like stories and adventure books. Sometimes I read mystery stories too.
That's interesting. Do you read every day?
Yes, I try to read a little every day. It helps me relax.
I understand. And what about drawing and painting?
I like to draw animals and flowers. Sometimes I paint landscapes.
That sounds creative. Do you take classes for that?
No, I learn by myself. I watch videos and practice a lot.
That's impressive. I like drawing too, but I'm not very good.
Practice helps. Do you have hobbies, Paul?
Yes, I like playing football. I also enjoy cooking.
Football. That's fun. Do you play with friends?
Yes, I play every weekend. We play at the park.
Do you have a favorite position?
I like to play forward. I try to score goals.
That's exciting. And cooking? What do you like to cook?
I like to cook pasta and rice dishes. Sometimes I try new recipes.
Do you cook every day?
Not every day, but I cook when I have time.
That's nice. Do you share your food with your family or friends?
Yes, I do. They always enjoy it.
Talking about hobbies is fun. It helps people get to know each other.
Exactly. Emily, do you like music as a hobby?
Yes, I do. I listen to music every day. Sometimes I try to play the piano.
That's wonderful. Do you play often?
Not very often. I practice when I have free time.
I like music too. I play the guitar a little.
That's great. Do you play songs for friends or family?
Yes, sometimes. They enjoy listening.
It's always fun to share hobbies. Do you like sports other than football?
Yes, I like swimming. It helps me stay healthy.
Swimming is fun. I like swimming too.
Do you have any indoor hobbies?
Yes, I like puzzles and reading. Sometimes I write short stories.
That's interesting. Do you write every week?
Yes, I try to. It helps me practice English too.
Talking about hobbies is a great way to practice English.
Yes, it's fun and easy. Before we go, let's ask our listeners something.
Good idea. Tell us about your hobbies in the comments.
You can write 1 or 2 sentences.
We'd love to read them.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing your English.
And we'll see you again soon.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.